Are you struggling to get the title of a shipping method in WooCommerce using its ID? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Today, we will walk through how to retrieve that title effortlessly. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you have the shipping method ID, like flat rate 1, but you can't seem to get the corresponding title. It can feel like you're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I get the title for the shipping method ID I have?" They mentioned that they were using the code to retrieve the ID, but were stuck on how to get the title. Sound familiar? Let's solve this together. So what's happening behind the scenes? WooCommerce stores shipping methods in a way that allows you to access their IDs, but getting the title requires a bit more work. We'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make working with WooCommerce even easier. To retrieve the title of the chosen shipping method in WooCommerce, the user first needs to get the shipping method ID from the session. This can be done using the code they already have. Next, the user should check if the chosen shipping methods array is not empty. If it contains values, they can proceed to get the shipping method ID. Now the user can retrieve the shipping method object using the shipping method ID. This is done by accessing the available shipping methods in WooCommerce. Finally, the user can access the title of the shipping method from the shipping method object. This will give them the desired title, such as flat rate. Fun fact, WooCommerce powers over 30% of all online stores, so you're definitely not alone in navigating these challenges. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests creating a function to get the shipping method title by its ID. This function checks the shipping packages and retrieves the label for the specified shipping ID. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves directly accessing the database to retrieve shipping method settings. This is particularly useful when the same shipping method is used multiple times, like local pickup options. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves digging into the WooCommerce core. They suggest using a function to retrieve the shipping method title by its ID. First, they get the chosen shipping methods from the session. Then, they define a function that uses a regular expression to extract the instance ID from the shipping method ID. Finally, they retrieve the shipping method title using that instance ID. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves retrieving the chosen shipping method title by accessing the shipping packages. First, they get the current shipping method from the session. Then, they retrieve the available shipping methods from the packages. By looping through these methods, they check if the current method matches, and if so, they echo the method's label. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the WooCommerce documentation for the latest updates and methods. It can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to get the title of any shipping method using its ID in WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, the more you learn, the easier your development journey will be.